new channel TechMG, and today I am going to show you how to use Amazon Alexa on any mobile or convert any mobile into Amazon Echo Dot. So let's get started. Follow the steps on the screen. Here you need to log in with your Amazon account. It is not compulsory to be Prime. Alexa, thanks for watching this video. If you are facing any tech problems, you can comment below. I will surely be providing support to you. Please like and subscribe to TechMG #music